Hi everybody, I'm Kelly LeBrecq.
I'm Mary Cross-Grenay.
Have you ever been at the grocery store and seen people hunched over, leaning on the grocery carts? Apparently there's a reason for it. There's a word.
Yes, there's the grocery cart sign. That's what I call it.
Yeah? So what is going on with somebody if they're actually doing that?
If someone is probably over 60 years of age and they are having trouble walking because they get either pain in their legs or their legs feel really heavy and they can't walk very far, they will oftentimes be able to go much farther by leaning forward on the grocery cart, and they can walk the whole grocery store that way. Oftentimes that indicates they have something called spinal stenosis, and that's a sure sign of it.
So what's exactly going on in their spine though? Like when that's happening?
People who have stenosis, all that word means is a narrowing. So that means the space where the spinal cord is narrower because of bony changes. So that person realizes when they're walking, we actually put that spinal cord in a position where it gets a little more compressed when we stand up really straight if we have stenosis. So if someone's walking and they get that, then they all of a sudden feel like their legs are heavy. They literally can't walk any further. But if they bend forward, that opens that canal and it allows them to get the signals and the blood supply to the leg, so they can oftentimes go much further. So that's how you can actually figure out if that's part of what's going on.
But this is something that can easily be fixed, right?
Well, I don't know about easily fixed, but you can improve someone's symptoms by helping them get mobility in other areas, in their hips and in the upper back, the middle to upper back. If you actually get more mobility in those areas, it takes the stress off the level that's really narrow and allows that person to be able to do more and go further without being limited.
And if you don't get help now, does it get worse? Does it progress?
Typically, stenosis does get worse, and people tend to bend further and further forward. Those are some of the people you'll see that walk that way because they feel like that's the only way they can.
Yeah.
So we don't want them to end up all the way over. We want to try to help them before that happens.
Perfect. So moral of the story is get into PT if you're leaning on your shopping cart.
As long as it's not just because you're tired.
Or you're lazy. We don't want lazy people.
That's right.
You got to work for it.
It's really if you know that that's the only way that you can get around that grocery store, because otherwise your legs won't let you.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends. And if you live in Maine, we are Back in Motion Physical Therapy. We always offer free pain consultations at all 3 of our clinics. So give us a call today.
Yeah.
Until next time. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks.